How to fix time-sensitive message failed to send error on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on a device and go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. To check, tap on the Wi-Fi option and further tap on the info button. You will see the option to forget this network. Tap on that and then tap on forget again. Once done, rejoin to the network and see if that fixes the issue. If not, switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also try to enable airplane mode on your device and wait for a minimum of 10 to 20 seconds before disabling it again. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application again and scroll down and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial in maintaining optimal performance and it can resolve issues on your iPhone, and the last fix for this issue is in General itself. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the shutdown option and restart your device after waiting for a few seconds, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues on your iPhone. So, this is how you can fix time-sensitive message failed to send error on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.